Amphenol SV Microwave offers a variety of millimeter wave coaxial cable assemblies and connectors for 5G mobile communication development and production. These extreme high-frequency push-on and threaded RF connectors provide industry-leading signal fidelity in the 5G frequency spectrum and offer unique packaging designs for high-density requirements. The high-speed RF solderless edge launch connectors are ideal for high-frequency PCB applications where precision is key. These rugged, durable, and reusable connectors are adjustable to accommodate multiple PCB thicknesses and do not cause damage to the PCBs. As PCB substrates become thinner to support operating frequencies greater than 30 GHz, coaxial connectors need to evolve as well. To reduce the contact force on PCB traces required for a good electrical connection, SV Microwave offers their proprietary Light Touch Connector series. This series offers non-destructive engagement on soft or thin dielectric substrates.